Hello and welcome back for my morning report analysis videos with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday, 4th of July. Let's look at dollar yen, which has just rolled over a touch, hasn't it? I've sort of been pointing out that in the last few days, the momentum in this recovery has been pretty tepid. Look at the MACD lines, the RSI up around 60, rolling over, and now we've seen yesterday's candlestick, which was the first negative candlestick in a good week or so, and the market has started to roll over. Look at the hourly chart, whereby we've had this uptrend pulling higher, and then you've broken the uptrend. You've also broken below the pivot, although you just rallied back towards it now. There's a pivot around 110.50, which you're sort of trading around now. The 55-hour moving average is something to keep an eye on. Certainly in the last week and a half, it's been a fairly good gauge actually, and it's now falling at 1070. So watch out for that in the coming hours. You've got the momentum indicators as well, which, having been positive, have turned bit more corrective, and if that now starts to sort of fail around the 50 to 60 area on the hourly RSI, and if the MACD lines, which have turned up initially, but if they start to sort of roll over again around neutral, then we could start to see this market turning a little bit more corrective. So we've just picked up a touch in the last few minutes, which is sort of helping to stabilize the market a little bit, but it'll be interesting to see if the bulls sort of fail again around that sort of 1050 to 1060 mark and then start to sort of correct back. Then it would just simply be a continuation of what I see as this range play, and there is a positive bias still within this range play, you would argue, certainly with the support that you're gaining off the rising 55-day moving average, but there could be still a bit more slippage within that as the market unwinds a touch. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.